Okay, let's open it. So this would be like this. What happens here is I'm going to pull one out. Take that out. Take that out. Take this out. Take this. These are your contacts for your headlights. And what happens is, oh, there you go. They melt. Like this one here is partially melted. And when they melt, they stop gliding. There's two little springs right behind it to make sure it does contact. So when it melts, see what's happening right there right now? This side is pushing up, but when it melts, it stays like this. This melts inward and prevents it from moving out, kind of like I'm holding it right now. That will prevent your headlights from working. See how freely this one moves? And see how, you can't feel, but you can probably tell that this one has trouble moving. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to send down the sides a bit, and then reinstall it. My headlights currently work, but since I'm already doing this for the windshield wiper switch, I might as well do it for this as well. Springs removed. The easiest way would probably be to just buy a switch at the junkyard. You can probably open it up on location to see the condition and just replace it. I replaced this before with the junkyard switch. You have to install it correctly. See that notch? Clicks in there, kind of hold it in place. Now the movement is much better. Well, this should be replaced. To reinstall, just follow the same So the same way, this one looks good. There's nothing wrong with this.